make a Subway Surfers video right now. So guys, we are gonna make a Subway Surfers video. Which this is the Subway Surfers video. But guys, could you help me get more subscribers though? And I like this channel. Ooh, I just completed that right there. Woo! Yeah, I hit myself with my tablet. I'm not letting you guys watch any more ads. Wait, why did I say? But guys, yeah, I play on the tablet or the Nintendo Switch though. So let's keep this video going. I might play a couple rounds this time. And my brother said he's gonna make a YouTube channel. I'm gonna make a video with him soon, but it's gonna be Brawl Stars. And guys, I play Akinator, Pokemon TCG and stuff. So cool. If you guys want to know how to get this Frank skin, why did I? Oh yeah, Frank. I thought I said Byron because that was giving me flashbacks. But it was giving me flashback. Bro, I'm sorry for you guys to watch this ad. I'm sorry for you guys to watch this ad though. There we go. Sorry. Keep playing. But I'm sorry though. Let's keep the video going. But guys, tell me in the comments below what your Halloween costume is gonna be. And my Halloween costume is going to be Genie from K-pop Demon Hunters. And my brother said he's going to be Baby Sandra. Because I said he looks more baby. And guys, to let you know, I'm going to make a Minecraft game. And guys, if you guys know Cash from Cash and Nico, I love that YouTuber. He's my favorite YouTuber. That's the whole reason I created this YouTube channel. And to make you guys laugh and be happy. Because whenever I see their videos, they make me laugh and happy. And guys, I do play on the tablet and Nintendo. I don't play like on the PC and phones like other people do. But guys, I'm going to show you Pokemon TCG videos and Akinator videos. And I hope you guys like those videos. And guys, my birthday is going to be soon on January 15th. And I'll be 9. And I'm going to try to make my YouTube channel bigger. And get more Teal friends. Please don't be out. I'm gonna try to get more Teal here. What do you guys want me to call you? The Teal Army or the Teal Empire? I guess the Teal Empire will be better. But I only have a little bit of subscribers, just to let you guys know. I think I have 6 or 7. 6, 7! But let's play some. So what's it? But guys, if I die, I'm gonna make a next round where I just lock in. I'm just gonna make a round where I lock in. And guys, I'm gonna make some Minecraft videos. If you guys already heard that, I'm sorry. For the people who did it, I'm glad that they did it. because I probably forgot that. And guys, to get Byron, I just keep getting flashbacks of that, the lab of the Brawl Stars. I just keep getting flashbacks to those. But guys, I like this event because I am Hispanic. And if you guys don't know what Hispanic Heritage Month, I think it's where, I don't really know, but I don't know a lot of Spanish. And I'm gonna make a Hispanic Heritage Month video. No! Guys, we might play like 3 more rounds and then we're gonna probably be done. And the video is gonna end. But this is gonna, at the end, this, guys, I want some people to subscribe. Because I want people to be part of the army. I mean, the Chia Empire. So, I'm gonna play 3 more rounds after this episode. This is gonna be me locking in now. Please no ads. I'm sorry, guys. But close it. I'm gonna claim my reward. I'm gonna claim. There we go. I'm not gonna watch no ads. Boom, thank you. Boom, thank you. I'm not gonna click that because it's really not gonna be bad. Maybe we get the first. Yeah, a lot of these guys are. What about this dude? You don't have no friends yet. So guys, this is gonna be the last round. I'm gonna try to lock in. And please subscribe. And guys, you might have to wait to make my Minecraft video. And why you guys are gonna have to wait? Because I'm trying to build all this stuff. Or I might make a 1-block video. And you could subscribe to Marvin Simples if you want, because that's my dad. guys, I do have Tricky and I do have Jake. Tricky was very easy to get actually. I don't know why all the other ones are hard. But guys, how to get Frank is just save up your coins. You just need to save up your coins. That's literally the strat. So guys, that's where we end the video.